Visit to code.ip44.com. Today we will discuss about PHP Data Types. PHP Data Types. Variable can store data of different types, and different data type can do different things. PHP is both on flowing data type, string, integer, floating point number, also called double, Boolean, array, object, null, resource. PHP string. A string is a sequence of characters like hello world. A string can be any text inside quotes. You can use single or double quotes. Hello world. BR hello world. PHP integer. An integer data type is a non-decimal number between 147, 483, 648 and 483, 647 rules of integer. An integer must have at least one digit, and an integer must not have a decimal point. An integer can be either positive or negative. Integer can be specified in decimal base 10, hexadecimal base 16, octal base 8, or binary base 2 notation. In the following example, Sx is an integer. The PHP void dump function returns the data type and value. Int 5985 PHP float. A floating point number is a number with a decimal point, or a number is exponential from. In the following example, Sx is a float. The PHP void dump function returns the data type and value. Float 10.365 PHP Boolean. A Boolean represents two possible states, true or false. $x equal to true, $y equal to false. Booleans are often used in conditional testing. You will learn more about conditional testing in a later chapter of this tutorial. PHP array. An array stores multiple values in one single variable. In the following example, $cards is an array. The PHP void dump function return the data type and value. lesser than, string 3 BMW, 2 equal to lesser than, string 6 Toyota. You will learn a lot more about arrays in later chapters of this tutorial. PHP object, classes and objects are the two main aspects of object-oriented programming. A class is a template for object, and an object is an instance of a class. When the individual objects are created, they inherit all the properties and behavior from the class, but each object will have different value for the properties. Let's assume we have a class named car. A car can have property like model, color, etc. We can define variable like $model, $color, and so on hold value of this property. When the individual object Volvo, BMW, Toyota, etc. are created, they inherit all the property and behavior from the class, but each object will have different value for the properties. If you create a construct function, PHP will automatically call this function when you create an object from a class. My car is a black Volvo BR lesser than. My car is a red Toyota. PHP null value. Null is a special data type which can have only one value. Null, a variable of data type. Null is a variable that has no value assigned to it. If a variable is created without a value, it is automatically assigned a value of null. Variable can also be emptied by setting the value to null. PHP resource. The special resource type is not an actual data type. It is the string of a reference to function and resources external to PHP. A common example of using the resource data type is a database call. We will not talk about the resource type here since it is an advanced topic. Thank you for watching this video.